more stuff to buy. Let's all buy this. And it's now up to us, the youth, to actually sit and community organize in order to solve the problem. Because the media is has so much emotionally invested and financially invested in making us think a certain way. That consumption is okay, that this is the way to live, that we can drive all the way to be here and barely talk to each other. Because the media makes a lot of money that way. So we need to all talk to each other in a very deep level about what our civilization has to face, and let's design solutions together, because if we don't talk to each other, we're not going to figure it out.
I like beaches, and I definitely want to see glaciers, so for those two topics to be like, I'm like, no, we can't let it happen. I'm like, we have to gather everybody and let them know right now, this is important.
I'm just looking forward to meeting more activists and people in Las Vegas, because when we all work together, I think we can make a little change.
I really like documentaries as well, but I think after the election, I really got into a state of shock and fear and about every topic. And so I found comfort in learning more and more about that topic, and especially because climate change, we're already too late on a lot of levels. So I find comfort in learning more knowledge and being around people that are more knowledgeable and that can teach me on, or that are at the same level as me with what's going on. Plus my friends get tired of hearing me talk about it, so I need to find a group of people that would let me do that.
I tell people I brainwashed myself in a good way, and it made it very easy for me to change, but it also kind of made me crazy. So I'm like, okay, maybe I could meet some people who want to do something about it, who do care, that, you know, I won't feel so alienated and so mad, because I'm the angry vegan right now, where I'm just like, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? And I'm not truly that way. Like, I understand everyone's going through their process and, you know, the different things, but I'm just like you said, like, it's almost too late. We can't kind of brush it off like it's going to be okay, like, you know, somebody else is taking care of it, because we are the somebody else and we're not taking care of it.
I think that it's awesome because we're all like personally responsible for ourselves, and if you can share the knowledge of how you are personally responsible and how you are actively doing your part, then it can give other people ideas, and other people can even stem their ideas off of your ideas, and we can come up with even better ideas. So.
I'm trying to be an activist of some sort for women's rights, mental health, and medical marijuana. So, and ever since the election, I have been more steadfast with doing things about it.
I loved the 60s, and I've been waiting for the 60s to come back, and it looks like they can. We can just keep this momentum, keep people a good combination of upset and hopeful.
It all boils down to education. A failing education system. That is, you keep people dumb. That is how you keep power. You have to keep knowledge away from people. Listen, I'm a master's student, and I can literally go through an entire course without even opening up my textbook and get an A in it. That is a failing system. I shouldn't be able to do that. I don't want to be able to do that. A lot of my friends, a lot of people that I know that are in my generation can't even start with talking about carbon tax or anything on that level, which really frightens me, because we are the most innovative generation, but we miss something.
I think most of the problem with everything, politics, youth, everything, is money. They're so busy trying to get this invisible profit thing that they don't care really about the things that they would normally care about. They don't care about the next generation, because they're so busy worried about, like, well, that's not going to get me money right now, and money is what I need to get everything. And it's was like, if we could like trick the people who are like money hungry into thinking, hey, the money's in being more sustainable and that's what we want and we'll pay for that. And yeah, that whole taxing, the whole carbon thing, I love that idea. I love it. I think people should get taxed for the amount of children that they have. The amount of, no, seriously, because we can't afford for people to not, you know, to be like, oh yeah, well I can do whatever I want. No, we can't afford for you guys to be that way. Sorry.
Work for today to have a better tomorrow. Electric cars are very durable. I'm 32 years old. My car only goes 100 miles at a time. I plug it in at night, but I haven't had to visit a gas station in over 2 years. So you're not giving money to the bad people. And if you can go to CarMax and get a Nissan Leaf for 11 grand used with 26,000 miles on it, shit. Okay? How soon am I going to cut my fuel bills? Realistically, the Vegas Valley is about 50 miles from end to end. So if you have a 100-mile range car, you're set. Always going to be problems. No one generation is going to solve the problem indefinitely. It's going to take education to inform the next generation as to why something was done. I'm big with climate and the environment. The problem I have is in the solutions presented.
Yeah, I want to blame people and I want to blame society at the same time, and I want to blame the last generation and our parents and grandparents. But at the same time, A, you have to blame our government and you have to blame the people accountable, like the oil companies and the lobbies. It's not our fault. What's our fault is not doing anything, which right now we're discussing, so that's a start to doing something. But, you know, like, in a sense, I agree with him. Like, I don't want carbon tax. I want people held accountable.
I feel like they're talking about large corporations who emit a lot of carbon emissions, and they're going to tax them more for operating, which totally makes sense.
I'm a strict vegan right now. I don't believe that everyone has to live that way, but I do believe that because of the way the world is right now, we need to fucking kick that shit into gear. Now, once that shit calms down, yeah, people can start eating, you know, beef once a week or whatever the hell is healthy for them.
Look up the PUC decision a few years ago. It happens every 2 years. Look who the people that are actually elected in those positions, because some of those people actually used to work at the energy. But at the same time, you have the decision to put those people into office. So see what they're backing, see what they're doing. And maybe even call up, like, if I wanted to get solar, what would that be? Can I even do it? Are you allowed to? Are you allowed to go off the grid?
But that's really important for us to get, you know, in touch with Nevada legislations. And then you can also contact our legislatures and say, hey, I want you to vote this way on it, or I want you to vote that way. And there's also online polls, like during that session, that you can go to that link during that session, and it'll say if you're yay or against, and you can vote on that. And then the other thing you can also do is you can go down to the Grant Sawyer building here during that session, and you can actually testify as a resident and say, I'm for or against this bill, and this is why, and you can submit a written testament. Those are things that